Hey guys, I got gifted today by a fellow woodworker some cherry that he got cut off of his property, and it has been sat out for about a year and a half. I put the moisture meter up there. It's anywhere from 5 to 7%, so she's good to go. I'm gonna put this on the joiner jig and run it through the DeWalt. My friend that gave me that cherry, he also gave me this little piece here. Let's see what the length of it is. 29. It's about 5.5. But I'm gonna cut it right here in this check, run it all the way down. I can already see that's gonna be some figure right there, but see what it looks like when it runs through the planer. And this one has a bow in the center, so I've got shim, so when the planer pushes it down, it won't keep the same bow on this edge. Here's that piece of walnut that you gave me yesterday. So you've got a little bit of crotch figure. That's an old limb. Then you got your heartwood and your sapwood there. It's a beautiful piece. Still got a live edge and then got a check here. So if I wanted to use this as a whole piece, I would have to seal this up. But if I wanted to glue pieces together, I would just run this piece right through the center here on the table saw. Alright guys, I'm about to do this 4-foot glue up here. We got some ambrosia maple, and Haley wants to turn this into a surfboard. So I've already ran through everything for the straight edge. I put arrows on the side of the fence when I ran the maple through. So now I've got these parallel clamps. I got the caws here, and for some reason I cannot think of the name of those. But the F-style clamps. So now we're gonna get some glue on these boards. Haley's gonna help us out with spreading the glue, and then we'll connect them, and then probably wait 18, 24 hours. Oh, she's a squirter. All right now.
Beat it up.
All right, let's get to spreading. All right, and now we're going to spread them.
The legs or the glue?
Just let me know when you are.
Oh, I am.
All right. But I didn't think it through. The caws, I can't get my F clamps in this side. I can over here. So basically what I'm doing is just running my finger underneath and seeing how uneven it is. Everything was surface and prepped identical. So I'm just going to tighten it up, and then I may put the caws up there. I don't know yet. But even after this step, you've got to run it through the planer again. But should be alright.